Welcome to the ToolHound Learning Center. Let's look at working with existing counts and creating new counts on the ToolHound Mobile app. Tap Inventory, then Count. A list of open counts is displayed. Tap the row to work with a particular count. You can scan or otherwise enter item IDs at the top, or you can edit the quantities on each detail row. Always save your changes before exiting the count. To create a new count, tap plus at the top right corner. Enter a description and then select the count type. Select from Count Whatever I Like and Count by Entity. We'll start with Whatever I Like. We proceed to scan or otherwise enter the item we wish to count and enter any quantities for bulk or consumable items. Always remember to save when done. Now let's create a count by entity for Andy Dunbar. Once the list of issued items is fetched, we can scan the item IDs or enter the quantities directly on the detail row. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center. For any questions, contact our support team.